Now question number 6. Let us read the question. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Okay, so you should find how many liter of milk can be stored in this tank, where its radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. So what you should find? You should find the volume of the tank. Okay, then it will be equal to the volume of the milk it can be stored. So if it should be converted into liter, means we will multiply by 1000. Okay, so let us first find how to find the volume of the cylinder. So we'll apply the formula pi r square h, that is base area pi r square into height. Okay, now let us see the solution. Now solution here, r is given as 1.5 meter, height is given as 7 meters. So volume of the milk tank, that is pi r square h. So pi value you are writing it as 22 by 7 and r, that is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 into 7. Okay, so what you are doing, this 7 and 7 you can get cancel 7 and 7. So 15 into 15, you know it is 225. So 2 decimal places are points are coming. So after 2 points you have, after 2 place you have put a point. So it is 2.25. Okay, so you are multiplying 22 into 2.25. So you will get the answer as 49.50 meter cube. Okay, so it is in meter cube. So it should be converted into the volume. That is, it should be converted into the capacity of the milk, how much it can store. So volume of milk in liter, that is equal to what? So what we will do is 1 meter cube. Therefore, 1 meter cube means it is 1000 liters. 1 meter cube means it is 1000 liters it can hold in 1 meter cube. So for 49.50 meter cube, how many liters can hold? So 49.50 into 1000 liter. Okay, so that is 49. So you are multiplying this. So what you will do is 4950, then 30. So again, then how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. So it is 49,500 liters. Hence the required volume is 49,500 liters. Understood? This is the answer. You can check this. Okay, solution part. Okay, children. Now we'll go to next problem. Now children, question number 7. If each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? First question. Second one, how many times will its volume increase? So the question is, if the edges of the cube, so the cube, it will be like this. Okay. Now, if the edges are doubled, if it is 2 centimeter means if it is doubling. Same way to the top also it is doubled. Length and breadth and height, everything is doubled. So, what happens to the surface area and what happens to the volume? Okay, when the edges are doubled, what happens is the question. Okay, so if the side is L we are taking, how will be the surface area and how will be the volume? Let us see. So we are taking side as L. For a cube, all sides are same. So we are taking that side as L. Okay. Now let us see the solution. Let the edge of the cube be L. Let the edge of the cube be L. Since the surface area of the cube, so how to write the surface area? So you know that surface area means it is 6L square. Yes, how many faces are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces are there. So each face, how many L square is there? So 6 faces are there. So each face L square is the area. So the formula came as 6L square. That is the surface, total surface area of the cube. If we are taking, instead of L, it is doubled, means we are taking it as 2L. When it is doubled, we are taking that, we are considering the L as 2L. Okay, here 2L. Okay, then what will be the surface area? Let us see. Now, surface area of a cube when it is doubled will be what? Instead of this L square, you are taking 2L whole square. Okay, instead of this line L, you are taking, it is doubled, so you are taking 2L. Okay, so what is our real formula? The formula is 6L square. So instead of this L, you will write it as 2L. 6 2L whole square. Okay, so it will be what? 6 into 4L square. 6 into 4L square it will be. Okay, so what you can write is 6 into 4L square, and 4 into 6 and 6 into 4 is same. 4 into 6 and 6 into 4 is same. So what you are writing is 4 into, you are writing as 4 into 6L square. Instead of 6 into 4L square, you are writing 4 into 6L square. You know this 6L square is the total surface area when L is equal, side is equal to L. So how many times it is increasing? It is increasing 4 times. It is increasing 4 times. Understood? Now let us see the volume. Hence, let us read the answer A. That is 4 into A. Hence, the surface area will be increased 4 times. Okay. Now, same way, volume you are taking. So, volume of the cube. Volume of the cube, it is L cube, you know. So, side into side, that is L cube it is. That is length into breadth into side. All the sides are same. So, L cube is the volume. Okay, instead of this L, what you are taking? You are taking 2L, doubled, when it is doubled. So what happened? It is 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. L into L into L, it is equal to L cube. So this is one. So how many times? This original is L cube, and when we are doubling, you are getting 8L cube. So how many times it is doubled? How many times it is increased? It increased by 8 times. It increased by 8 times. Okay. Now let us see the solution. Volume of the cube is L cube. When the edges of the cube are double, the volume will be 2L cube, that is equal to 8L cube. So hence the volume will increase by 8 times. Okay.